welcome back to Shedtune and Shedtune HQ. Hello! We're still doing the cut down, as you can see, and we're at a critical stage. We've got to do all the odds and sods jobs, like fitting all the cables, getting the throttle cable done, change the front wheel, because obviously we've got to put the right front wheel on it now, nuts and bolts, odds and sods, but more importantly, we've got to do wiring. I hate wiring. But luckily, Dom loves wiring. So we'll let him crack on. Now, we've had a delivery that MB Scooter's wiring limb. He was out of stock, so I got him from Turbo Lambretta. What else has turned up? We've got the rear shock nuts, a little cup for the brake, gear trunnions, wheel nuts, bits and pieces, and this bad boy. But I'm going to surprise Dom with it in a minute when he gets back. Here's a question for you. When you're in your workshop, messing about your scooter, what music do you listen to? Drop a few comments below. Let's hear. At the moment, we've got playing a tune. I'm going to turn this one up. It's called Zombie by the Cranberries. Right, so that's the front end back together. Calipers back on. Old school shocks, we like them. New tyre and the right rim for this. On to the next job. Now a little job done. That's the nuts on the shocks. But I've got a moan. These epoxy trunnions. What moron at Lambretta decided to use a 7mm Allen key and a 9mm spanner that's never in any tool set ever. Anyway, got any better ideas than these epoxy trunnions? Stick them in the comments. Right, so if you remember from last time, we were going to fit this rear set which goes on the flywheel side, and when we looked at the length of the standard bolt, there wasn't much in the way of thread left for the bolt to go on. So we've had a new bolt made by Adrian Newham. You can find his link in the description below. If you want to contact him, you can make absolutely anything. So the new one, as you can see, quite a bit longer, and with the washers on, that'll give us the right amount of thread to be able to fit it. So there you go. Right, open it and see what's in there, Dom. Show our viewers what it is. Seriously,
show our viewers what it is.
What could it be?
I have absolutely no idea. Oh, great t-shirt.
A t-shirt, but not just any old t-shirt.
One with an invisible logo on.
Is that the new Shedtune t-shirts? That's the back, and what's on the front? Just a breast bit. Now, I wonder if anyone would like to order any of those types of t-shirts. Well, if you would, stick a comment below and tell us what colours you like, what sort of sizes you'd like, and if you think it's a good idea or not. Because we ain't going to get a load printed if no one's interested. Right, that's going to be the end of the video for today. What have I learnt today? I'll tell you what I learnt today was, whenever you're putting a front wheel on the Lambretta, never do the rim up before you put the caliper on, because if you do, you got to take it all apart and start all over again, or at least undo the wheel anyway. What's next? Finish the wiring off, get the tank and carb on. I guess probably start putting the bodywork back on, but we'll see. If you like what we're doing, give it a thumbs up, maybe even a subscribe, definitely some comments, see what you think. And we're down to the last few stickers, so first come first serve. If you want some stickers, give us a like, subscribe, comment, etc., and we'll see you next time.